Hey there, it's Linda in Belize.
Well, it is a massive downpour here.
So if you're in San Pedro and you want an inside place to hang out, play games, hang out with friends, and of course get a fantastic drink, this would be the place to come. So this is one of my favorite bars, and it's Dirty Martini inside Mahogany Bay Village. You can watch football here, and of course there's lots of martinis available, including the Dirty Martini, but one that I really enjoy is the Espresso Martini. Now if you're coming for happy hour between 4 to 6, it's a great deal on local rum, which is $5 Belize, so only $2.50 US.
Smoked old fashioned in Belize.
You're gonna be
perfect.